It's a great day for hockey cards, and today, many moons ago, we started this box, and now we're going to dive back into it. It's 02-03 NHL Patrick Waugh cards. So we still have a good number of packs to go, because this is one of these old school boxes, but that other video was just getting so long. So now we're going to see what we can get through. We've got Bates Battaglia, Michael Handzus, Chris Beach. We've got a Own the Game, Brent Johnson. Prospect of Ilya Bryzgalov, Universe's Beeg. Eric Belanger, Stevie Y, Brian McCabe, Vladimir Orzak, and Andy McDonald. See if we can finish this box off. Still a lot in here. Old school breaking. And every once in a while we get a sticky pack, but not all of them. We've got Keith Tkachuk, Curtis Joseph, Marty Straka, Justin Williams. We've got an Own the Game of Glenn Murray. And a Sergei Samsonov, because they are stuck together. Miroslav Shatan, Billy G, who's stuck to Jamie Langenbrunner, Eddie Balfour, and Tim Connolly. What names, man. If you were watching hockey in the early 2000s, there are definitely some very memorable players here. We've got a season highlights of Jeremy Roenick, a prospect of Sheldon Keefe, probably more known for his coaching now, Kimmo Timonen, and we've got a Patrick Waugh throwback for the Canadiens. It's a reprint, kind of. Ulf Dahlin, Eric Lindros, Henrik Sedin, Olaf Kolzig, Evgeni Nabokov, and Marty Brodeur. Oh, and there's another Brent Johnson. Nikolai Habibulin, the Bulin Wall, Frederick Modine. There he is. There's Super Mario, number 66. Mike Leclerc, prospect of Steve Gainey. There's Tommy Kallio, Eddie Joe, Marty Havlat, and Daniel Sedin. Justin Williams, got Keith Primeau, Byron Defoe, Jason Arnott. Oh, this is number 100. We've got a Sean Avery, red prospect, O-Pee-Chee. Sean Avery, better known as a New York Ranger. That's a neat one to pull. Mike Dunham, Freddie Brathwaite, Brett Hull, Brian Rafalski, Brendan Shanaban, and Matt Sundin. Oh, he's wearing the St. Pat's jersey there. I was like, what is that green jersey? This one's a little crunchy. We've got Sergei Gonchar, All-Star. Oh, we've got a die cut coming up. There's Andrew Brunette. There's a season highlights of Patty Waugh. There's John Ferguson, left wing for the Canadiens. He looks shocked there. Wow, that is a cool looking card. Stanley Cup Heroes. That is pretty awesome. That is, I love die cut cards. And that's a really nice one. Pascal Dupuis, Todd White. We've got Simon Gagne, Nicholas Hagman, Marty Turco, Mike Comrie, Todd White, of course. Wow, that Stanley Cup die cut is a really cool looking card. Okay, we've got John LeClair, Eric Cole, Kim Janssen. There's hometown hero, Brendan Shanahan. There's Marcus Naslund. Marian Hossa. Trevor Linden. Jerome McGinley. A prospect of Andy Hilbert. And Kyle Calder. Sandis Ozulinch. Mike Matau, prospect. Nicholas Sundstrom. We've got another parallel here. We've got a blue Oleg Petrov, numbered to 500. A Topps. What does that say? Topps All-Star? Focus. Of Nick Boynton, Mike Modano, Curtis Brown, Robin Regier, Maxim Afinogenov, and Mikko Noronin, prospect. There we've got Sergei Gonchar, All-Star, Scotty Young, Guillaume Lefebvre. We've got a blue Eric Brewer to 500. The old Spoke Oilers jersey. Double J, Tom Barrasso, J.F. Fortin prospect. We've got a Brian Sotheby prospect, Peter Bondra, and Ilya Kovalchuk. The Thrashers, how about that? That's a throwback. Got Robert Lang, Yanni Rita, Gary Roberts, Mark Denis, Derek Morris, Ray Whitney, Joe Thornton, Rob Ray, and a prospect of Andrew Raycroft. I think I can almost see the bottom of the box. Ron Francis, Pavel Kubina. Got Nicholas Lidstrom. We've got to own the game of Todd Bertuzzi. Milan Hajduk, Brendan Morrow, Anson Carter, Janne Niinema, one of the all-time great names in hockey, Sammy Kapanen, and Eric Daze. Keith Kachuk, Curtis Joseph, Marty Straka. Got all those. Got a bunch of doubles there. Got an Own the Game of Marcus Naslund. J.P. Dumont. Yuri Depita. Sergei Samsonov. Miroslav Shatan. Billy G. And Jamie Langenbrunner. Dan Blackburn, Chris Kolonos, Jeremy Roenick, Radek Bonk, Sergei Fedorov, Jim Dowd, David Legwand, Ian Lapierre, Philip Kuba, and Christian Berglund prospect. We are definitely near the bottom now. Checklist. Oh, we got another die cut. Brendan Shanahan, Patrick Waugh, got Andrew Brunette, Derek Sanderson for the Boston Bruins. Once again, just a gorgeous card. Gorgeous looking card. Stanley Cup hero. Nicholas Hagman, Marty Turco, Simone Gagne. There's Joe Sakic, Patrick Lalime. Brendan Shanahan. Let's see, sticky ones that slow us down. Patrick Waugh. Andrew Brunette. Mike Van Ryn. Ulf Dahlin. Henrik Sedin. Eric Lindros. Olaf Kolzig, only the goalie, as they called him. Evgeni Nabokov, and Marty Brodeur. I'm going to reorganize my cards here. The stacks are getting too big. These old school products gave you tons of stuff. Brian Savage, Own the Game, Iggy. Or Joe Thornton, depending on which side you're looking at. Whee! Rob Ray, don't want to drop him. Might get mad. Andrew Raycroft. Got Pierre Turgeon, Marco Sturm, and Tom Pody. We're going to keep going. We're going to finish this off. What is this? Got the Topps home team advantage. Some kind of promo. Only got in that one pack. Pavel Demitra, Vinny LeCavalier, Patrick Marleau, and we've got an Ilya Kovalchuk, Coast to Coast. Neat looking insert. Sergei Brylin, J.S. Jaguar, Dominator, Steve Hines, Richard Zednick, and Manny Fernandez. Valerie Bure, Double J. We've got Christian Kudrock. Hometown Heroes of Ilya Kovalchuk. Marian Hossa. Trevor Linden. Iggy. Andy Hilbert, Kyle Calder, and Mike Van Ryn. Mike Ricci, Camille Piros, Shane Corson. We've got Eric Belanger, numbered to 500. Brian Leach, prospect of Brian Giunta. Peter Sikora, Ziggy Palffy, and Paul Correa. I hope we can pull another one of those Stanley Cup Hero die cuts. I really like that set. Byron Defoe, Jason Arnott, Keith Primo, Patrick Eliash. Looks like we've got another red. It's Damon Langkow, numbered to 100. Stu. Mark Parrish. Steve Sullivan. He's hiding somebody. Michael Pekka. That guy. Patrick Stefan. Final pack. Of our two-part break of a product that's 20 years old. Sean Burke, Roman Chechmanek, Rod Brindamore, Craig Conroy, prospect of John Erskine, Alexei Zhamnov, Brian Rolston, Tony Lidman, Ivan Hummel, prospect, and a Glenn Murray to round it out. There you have it. 2002-2003 NHL Topps hockey cards. Let me know what you think of the conclusion of this break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.